gym and night swimming. You got what I like, spinning. We can keep it casual. The night's calling, I don't care where we go. We're like a bright light flashing off. Speed shuttle, technicolor, call me lover, good trouble, 'cause I'm falling for ya. Let's spend the night together. Let's watch the stars turn on. Let's take a ride forever. I'll turn the magic on. I'll be a Van Gogh, a Bridget Bardot. Light it up and watch it glow.
Okay, so we are in Kunming in Yunnan. Definitely a very modern and big city as well, but I'm gonna go and explore the old areas. Hope we can find it. It's supposed to be only 10 minutes walk from here, but I only have like a few hours here, so we'll see. Hope I can find something and try some local food at least. Let's see what we can find. Here we have some old gate, and we have the police making the noises to signal traffic. Not sure that's really needed, but a lot of traffic here for sure. It's not exactly a small city. Yeah, I think I'm gonna see if I can find something a bit older than this. This just looks like a walking street. Let's see what we can find. It's interesting, you have so much new construction everywhere you go in China. Just high rises everywhere. Quite different from the place we're going to. Hope the old temples. Here's just new stuff everywhere. Okay, so we finally made it to one of these old areas here in Kunming. There's a nice shrine or temple over there. Let's go and check it out. In here they're carving jade. I think that's where you have the noise. Interesting jewelry. Unfortunately, I feel it's always very commercialized. A lot of stores everywhere. Looks kind of nice, but yeah, it's a bit sad that it's so much shopping going on around this. I think hopefully tonight I can go somewhere with a bit of nicer lighting, so we get a bit of the mood instead. Here we have some old, nice shrines and buildings. Here we also have some old things going on. Here we have the locals hanging out here in the park, relaxing on this Thursday afternoon. Here you have the nice shrines here. You can burn the incense here and enjoying the view. Here we have some more socializing going on in front of the temple and this cool carving here. Yeah, I managed to get some nice drone shots here. We'll see how it turned out, but really nice area here. Really peaceful, but now I have to go back, have an appointment later. Then hopefully we can go to more of an evening view, some food later instead. Let's see. I'm sure it's going to be really nice here in the evening, but we'll see. No time to wait for that right now. There's some ancient stuff going on here. Really nice. Yeah, that was a bit sort of commercial, but nice to see those pagodas. Now we're gonna head back and then we're gonna go out in a few hours again and explore the evening instead. I think it's gonna be a bit nicer. So we made it to this old area here. Just before sunset, it's perfect. Hope we can find some nice lights and cozy areas to eat here on here. It's almost empty actually. Really nice. Really nice old area here. The sun is setting here with really nice colors. I was trying to get some drone shots, but apparently not allowed to. I got a small sequence, really nice. Let's see if they put the lanterns on. I think they're gonna look super pretty. Definitely quite empty around here. Not so touristy as the other place. Really like and prefer this more. Let's see if we can also find some authentic food or if it's only tourist stuff. I'm not sure. There's some sort of interesting statue going on with horses. No idea what that means. It's very empty here. It's quite interesting. It's actually quite a big complex here. We are apparently here. Let's see if we can go and explore the rest or if it's closed. Let's go this way. I really like when the lanterns are starting to light up like this. Oh, here's a really cool area. Really quiet. Just eating in here. Super nice here. I'm not sure if it's closed here, what we're doing. It's 8 p.m. now, so I think it seems like a lot of places are closed. I guess it's very low season for tourists. Supposed to be able to walk along the lake here and walk into a very big area there, but maybe it's closed. Very nice peaceful lake here with high mountains in the background. Really nice sunset here. And I think these are the only places open on the main street. I assume that's not the best on offer, so worst case, let's go back downtown and find something authentic. I don't want to get another tourist trap stuff. Now that is very pretty, that is for sure. Lit up the main gate here. Yeah, I definitely think that this was kind of a daytime tourist attraction, so I'm gonna head back and probably find food somewhere else. Not this old style, but I think it's closed for today, so Maybe come back another time. At least it's very easy to get a taxi in this country. Just put in the address and get one. So I'll get a grab on and go back and eat something. Okay, so we got a bit of rain here while I was in the taxi, but I recommended to go to this place, Laoji and Old Street. Let's see what we can find in here. It's nice when it's a bit rainy and moody. Let's see. Hope it's not just tourist stuff around. We'll see. Definitely a lot of fusion. We have like a Japanese place here. I want something local. Let's see what we can find. Here we have Thai. That's a bit worrying. Let's see if we can actually find something that's from Yunnan. It looks pretty, but I'm not sure if it's very authentic in here. It's very pretty with all the lighting and the rain, that's for sure. Really nice. I want to sit down here somewhere and try what they have. This place looks really lovely. I wonder what they have in here. Here's probably a lot of tourist stuff. I'm gonna skip that, but this Old Street looks nice. I have a lot of stuff here. Let's see if we can find something more in here. I think here they have hot pot charcoal dipping sauce. It looks nice. Here they actually say they have Yunnan snacks. Let's see what that is. Yeah, maybe I'll go in and check this one out. Here seems to be a Kunming barbecue. Wonder what that is. Kunming. A lot of things here. It's nice. Yeah, I'll try to go back to the place with the snacks, see what they have. It looked nice. Let's see if we can find some yak meat inside here. Okay, so I went to this local place. Try the local beer, of course. I always want to sample that. Dali. I'm not going to Dali. It's another interesting city, but next time. So I'm gonna have this one first. Supposed to be famous. I'm not sure what it is. Has peanuts, but I'm gonna take that out. Then I trusted the recommendations, so I'm gonna have some of these skewers. Looks good. Then I'm also gonna have some of these potatoes. I don't normally eat potatoes, but since it's famous, I can give it a try. Really nice vibe here when you're looking out. There's a lot of noise in the background from reading out the announcement, but that's how it is here. Okay, so we get some potatoes. Looks almost like fries, really nice. Let's wait for the other dishes before we try it out. It's looking really nice. Oh, then we got this. I'm not sure what it is actually. Maybe like ginger with some vegetables and garlic. Looking really nice. Oh, okay, that is looking really good. Ooh, let's try it out. We got the whole serving here with the interesting food and pretty cozy background as well. So let's dig in and try it out. This is looking amazing. Gonna try it by one by one. We have the beer and the pretty lighting in the background. Very nice. Okay, this is gonna be fantastic. Nice to be here in Yunnan. First time, let's try it. Actually, I have no idea what to expect. I think it's a lot of potato or similar. Let's try this one. Looks nice. Looking really nice. Try it out. Maybe it's like tofu based actually, I'm not sure. Nice. A bit tricky to put the flavor, I'm not sure actually. A bit like earthy somehow. I'm not sure how to describe it actually. Nice. Okay, next up we have the potatoes. And usually a little meat in order for me, but this is supposed to be famous, so let's try it in. Try it out. Nice. The Kunming or Yunnan version of fries, I guess. Quite crispy. A bit of a chili touch. Very nice. This could be something to do in most places. This one I like a lot. Okay, let's go for the meat. Always a big favorite of mine. Let's try it out. Very nice. Crispy. No? Quite different touch and different flavors than normally fish skewers. Maybe I should order some more actually. Very nice. Let's have another one. Well, that's great. Really nice. Okay, let's sample the beer. Yeah, it's only 2.5% here. I guess you can't see it, but very light, kind of like water. But perfect for this. Very nice. I realized now afterwards that I think actually this is some sort of rice cake. With glutinous rice, so not tofu. So a lot of carbs here, a lot of carbs here, but it's fine. Let's add in some more meat. Okay, so I decided to order in some more meat here. I don't know what it is, but it looks nice. We have some spicy stuff here. We get some meat. Things could be worse. Let's try it out. This is cold meat actually. Dip it a bit like this. Chili. Oh, that spiciness looking good. Very nice. A bit chewy. but really nice. And spicy chili sauce. This was good. Yeah, I felt I needed to kind of boost the protein a bit. It was too much carbs, but this, now we're back on track with the protein. Really nice compliment to have this, and then you have kind of together with this really cool combo here. Wow, that was really amazing. Really nice. It's 9:20 and I have a flight at 7 a.m. tomorrow, so getting up at 4 or something, so not much sleep, but definitely worth exploring. But very nice, very late evening. Fantastic first day here in Kunming, that's for sure. Waiting for some more skewers. Now we get some more skewers here. I'm messing up a bit as always. The mixed one I think is a bit more fatty with pork. And it looks like they have cumin and chili. Looking really nice. Let's try that one. Looks amazing, of course. Really nice here. Just gonna love some good meat skewers. Let's try them. That was really good. Really nice. A bit fatty. It's perfect for skewers. Let's finish it off. We still have 2 left, and then this. But I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this fantastic first meal. Very different than type of Chinese food I've tried before. So basically went to Yunnan just to eat a lot, and walk and exercise and eat more food. So I'm gonna end this here. If you liked it, give me a like, subscribe. Otherwise, see you in the next video.